Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please leave your comments, leave your thumbs up, and please share this video out, and please subscribe to this channel. So the big question is, will we get a stimulus check like President Trump promised? He promised a big stimulus check right after the elections. Okay, it's after the elections. I personally don't think we will see a stimulus check until well after the first of the new year. President Trump did promise a bigger stimulus package and check right after the elections. But will it happen? I don't think so. And it's these 4 reasons that I'm about to tell you is why I don't believe it will happen. The promise of a stimulus package right after the election was political talk from both sides, better known as political BS. But they both did it, not just one side. Now, I don't remember hearing Biden actually do it himself, but Pelosi did it for him. They was trying to outdo the other side by promising us what we need and what they should send us. After all, it's our money, it's not their money. Reason number 2, I don't think it will happen. For Trump or Biden or anyone to send out stimulus, they need approval from the Senate and the House, and that will not happen. Reason number 3, President Trump has said, he has now said that he don't want the last thing that he does in office be passing a $2 trillion spending bill. He wants that to be on Joe Biden. Number 4, for him to say what he said about he wants it to be on Joe Biden, that tells me that deep down inside he knows that he has lost the race for presidency. And he's just trying to hold on to hope. Now, so far, all the votes have not been counted. And the Electoral College has still not voted. But I will say, with 99.9 certainty, Joe Biden will be the president after all is said and done. I am sorry, I know some don't like that. I'm not thrilled with it. That's the first time I've ever told y'all that. I am not thrilled with it. But it's the fact. We have to face it. And if Joe Biden is the president, he's going to need our support. With the office comes respect. We have to give the office of the president respect. We have to give Joe Biden respect if he is our president. God knows we didn't give it to Donald Trump. And that's sad. But whether Joe Biden wins or Donald Trump wins, whoever is there, they are your president. They deserve respect for that position. So you're not happy with the outcome? There was a lot of people that didn't vote, and I bet you know a lot of them. Jump on them. It's their fault. Y'all, we can either face this being bitter, sore, we can face it with hate, but what good is that going to get us? Or we can take the high road and do what's right for us, make our tomorrow brighter, make our tomorrow and our future better. We can only control what we do for ourselves. And no, I don't believe we're going to get a stimulus check. But I do believe if you start an online business, you can start making money today. And an online business can be something as simple as looking around your house and finding stuff to sell on eBay. Everybody's house is full of junk they don't need. Clean it up and sell it. That's an online business, and it's very easy to do. And you can start generating money today. There's all kinds of businesses you can do online to protect yourself and your family from financial ruins. Because we know the government is not going to help us, so we have to help ourselves. Y'all, it's up to us. We can either sit back and wait for a stimulus check that we know we're not getting, or we can take the high road and do what's right for our future. I'm taking the high road, and I hope you do too. Y'all, I love you all. Please watch the video that's popping up here now, and please come back tonight at 10 p.m. I'm sorry I changed that time. It's not 10 p.m. no more, it's 9 p.m. Come back at 9 p.m. for a late night with Walter. We don't talk stimulus. We don't talk politics there. We just have fun. So come on back. Try it out for one time. If you don't like it, you don't have to come back. I love you all. Ciao.